The verb blame takes three arguments in the sentence, Lily blamed the accident on the taxi driver. The first argument is the noun phrase Lily. The second argument is the noun phrase the accident. And the third argument is the preposition phrase on the taxi driver. Now let's label these arguments that our head verb takes in terms of their semantic roles, grammatical functions, and categories. So Lily semantically denotes the agent, the one who is foisting, who is assigning guilt or responsibility for the accident to the taxi driver. Lily is the subject in terms of grammatical function, and it is a noun phrase. The accident is the theme or the reason why Lily is blaming the taxi driver. In terms of grammatical function, the accident is a direct object, and it is also a noun phrase. The taxi driver is the experiencer, or the one undergoing the effect of being blamed for the accident. Its grammatical function is a prepositional complement, and it is realized by a preposition phrase. Now let's draw the tree diagram for this sentence. Our sentence consists of a noun phrase and a verb phrase. The noun phrase contains only the noun head Lily, and the verb phrase contains the verb head, which is blamed, and its two internal arguments, the noun phrase the accident and the preposition phrase on the taxi driver. Inside the noun phrase, we have a determiner, the, and the noun head, accident. Within the preposition phrase, we have the preposition head, on, which licenses a noun phrase. This noun phrase consists of a determiner and another noun phrase. The determiner is the, and the noun phrase contains a noun taxi and the noun head driver. In this case, the noun taxi functions as a modifier of the noun head driver.